guys, so here is Mariluz styling with Maria. I'm just gonna show you a look. Nothing, I don't have anything on my face, just my moisturizer and all that other good stuff you put on beforehand. And I have one eye done. Very sencillo, very simple, not too much to do. And my other eye is done, just my eyebrow. So quick tutorial to kind of show you how things work. So I have done my eyebrow, so now I'm just gonna clean it up. Promise this video would be very interesting. A lot of people do so many tutorials, so many videos, so a lot of times I'm like, well, you know, but I'm just gonna do this. Let's see how this goes. Weird, like when you clean it up, it looks like so perfect. ¿Verdad? I'm just using this one. And this one for that little color that you got going on. I'm trying to do like a smoky eye look today. As you can see, I am using a brown and it's not even dark, but on my eye it looks different. That's why you never want to use black for smoky eye look. Got it? Black is something that you use lightly on the corner of your eye to enhance it, not to cover your full eye. You don't want to look like a raccoon. I'm not trying to completely remove it. I just want it to look a little lighter, but I don't want to also conceal it. We did add some of this color in here. It's like a little light gold, but you can't really see it as much. You can't really see it as much, but hey, you do what you can. Eyeliner. Some people do not like to add eyeliner before your lashes. Now I got a really dramatic eyelash. I'm used to using Kiss eyelashes, which I do a little bit more of they're more natural, that I like to use, but this time I'm going a little dramatic. They're very dramatic. Okay, so I like to put eyeliner because a lot of times when you put your lashes on, and of course you're supposed to get them really close to your natural, but a lot of times, depending on the way your eyelashes sit, if they're not as thick, you can kind of see the ends, so you don't want to miss your eyelash to fill it in depending on the way you place it. So that's why I like to add eyeliner first, then my eyelash, then again correct if I need to. So let's do that. This might be a little hard to do it on camera, so just so you see. A lot of times you want to start in the middle and then push out, and then come back and then do the beginning. Again, I will need to correct this when I add my eyelash because my eyelash is going to go on top. So, my nose is itching. So remember that. ways how to do this. You can do it, add it directly on your eyelash, or put it on the back of your hand as well. Since this is a really thick one, it actually wants you to add a lot of. Now these are hard. This is a hard part. Adding them, and I'll be honest, they're thick, so they move a lot. So I try to bend it to kind of make it, you know. A lot of times when you add it, you have to be pressing your ends and just have patience, lots of patience. These are really big. Say that like big. Your ends usually are the ones that take a lot longer because it's just the way that they're heavier. See? And when you need to clean up, always get like a makeup wipe, and you can always clean up and everything. If you ever need to clean up anything. But it is a smoky eye, so I'm trying to have some of that stuff underneath my eye, but I have to add it, of course. Now, eyeliner, I have to go in and correct. Because I want to make it even. Again, everybody does this so differently. You can do whatever makes you more comfortable. But a lot of times people, like I said, they like to add their eyeliner after their lashes. But I like to do both. Very simple what we're doing. And now we just finished the rest of the face. Of course, we do like to add mascara, so our natural eyelashes are attaching the false ones that we added.